Hello lads, welcome back to our video. Today we are expanding this channel. Yes, we are expanding. Since the attack of the Reds, we have planned to expand rapidly, but my main chapter, or my co-main chapter, GMT, on the YouTube, left, and made me to the work of expanding this magnificent channel. And as you saw, unlike you saw in the last video, he will not be raiding anyone. However, he will invade, he will bombard one if they break the laws of the Geneva Convention or the Geneva Convention, as some people say. Now, let's get up. By the way, I set up. Why can't I get up? I set up outer walls for extra defense, but I cannot go anywhere there. It's really down. This is the Oldham Fort. This is where the siege fort was placed, but it was eventually captured. Let's look for Reds. Imperial Guard. Imperial Garde. Rheinbund. The Rheinbund.
Oo, training hard pa lang. Ano na yun?
Where's my camp? Why is it so laggy?
Training hard nila, kakalabanan nila siguro.
This is where they dug
Lahat
the
sila,
hole. This is where they dug the hole.
pero magkalabanan.
See? It is straight.
Di ba naglantad mo tayo? Yung nagpapanggap na parang natin Di ba yung leader ng kalaban nila? Di ba nagpapanggap na parang yung 20 yun?
Oo, ano yung iba yung di ba lang mo? Even ba niya ano yun para di siya maharap ng mata?
So who took
Hindi may previous na rin niya.
carbine?
Parang matalinan siya na alam di ba kung ano.
Iba-iba lang yun. Wala ng tao para
But the fact that they have, because in my dreams I dreamt of like a document, a really scary document about murders, and before the pictures that were shown, it was me playing a game, this game, and instead of the carbine rack there was a rifle rack, a musket rack, and of course Carbine round. So yeah. But I am gonna eventually leave soon. But I think I'll upload 3 videos this day. I have an official thing. On every 12th of every month, this will be made. I will. I'm suffering. Sorry, I'm suffering. And every 12th of every month, I will post 3 videos a month. And let's switch to another game. Because I don't wanna